Para sa akin, ito yung pinaka-powerful na leadership. Sa 2 day course on transformational and servant leadership, back to back. Because I believe that if ang epitome, pinakamataas yung rurok ng leadership is transformational and servant leadership. Ang core focus ng servant leadership is empowerment and trust. And ang tools for leading, if you are a servant leader, is listening, empathy, and care. Minsan, ang tingin ng mga tao sa servant leaders ay masyadong soft, no? Masyadong malambot. So, anong pwede natin gawin? So, back to back po natin yan. Tonight, we're focusing on transformational leadership. Next week, next Monday, servant leadership naman tayo. Recently, our company faced crisis management, do cost cutting, including labor cost. As a leader, paano pwede atake sa tao without discouraging them? Ayan. Importante yung change management. Pagka merong mga krisis na ganito, importante yung communication. Importante na malinaw yung mensahe pag ginawa nyo yan. So, communication is key.